Today's recipe is carrot halwa. There are two versions. Today I am showing you with adding Khoya. Let's begin the recipe. With 2 tablespoons of ghee, I have grated half kg of carrots. This I will cook approximately for 10 minutes like this in a low flame by closing a lid. This has taken around 10 minutes. Now I am going to keep it in the lower flame and keep stirring, or medium to low heat should be fine. Now the raw smell of the carrot is gone, so I am going to add in the sugar and keep stirring this. The sugar should melt. This is the right time. I'll add milk to it. I am taking the milk also hot so that it won't curdle. Now again I am going to stir in continuously so that the moisture from the milk also should get evaporated. I shall switch off the flame. I want to fry the Khoya for some time. It gets melted. It's becoming softer. This is completely soft now. I can add this to this mixture. While this is getting cooked, I'm going to roast some cashew and almonds in ghee. Going to add in the almonds first. Few seconds later, I'm going to add in the cashews. I want all the cashews to be in golden. The right time to turn off the flame and this can go in. Now I'm going to add in some elaichi powder and some more ghee on top and give it a nice stir. I will just turn on the flame for a couple of minutes, not too much. Now you can see everything mixed well. I can switch off the flame and this is ready to serve. For more recipes, like and subscribe SPL Foods.